Pepper fall already, not expensive anymore, right?
She's waiting for love to be realized.
How much is this one?
I'll send
How
her
much?
covered as a gift.
You give me for 2 ringgit. So this one? I just want for 1 kilo. 1 kilo. Why you shout, huh? Why?
I think you say 1 ringgit or no 1 kilo. 1 ringgit?
1 kilo, 1 kilo, 1 kilo. You, Okay guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. As you all can see, I am back from market. It's time for us to cook. Okay, over here I'm showing you all the meat that I'm gonna be using. I have chicken, I have beef, I have stockfish, which is also known as okro in my dialect. Okay, so in a pot, I have already washed all these things. All right, in a pot I'll add my meat, I'll add my chicken. Please, you can use any meat of your choice. Okay, I will be adding my okro, which is my stockfish. All right, yeah. So guys, this recipe okra soup is not gonna be frying. Okay, I have video on that already. I have how to stir fry okra soup on my channel. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave the link below so that you can go and check it out. Okay, or it will pop up somewhere here. If you want to watch it, you can also watch it. So this is me trying to, you know, spice up the meat and the stockfish in order for me to go and cook it. So now I'll go ahead and add my ginger powder, my salt, and some fresh pepper, my blended pepper. Okay, so I'll go ahead and mix everything together. You guys, I'm so sorry, I'm filming with one hand, using the other hand to, you know, mix everything together. So now I'll go ahead and put it on fire for the meat to cook. At this point, I'm not going to add any water. I will allow it to produce its own juice. All right, then in between I will now add more water to it. Keep watching. So now I'll go ahead and add some water to it. You guys, I'm so sorry for the smoke. The smoke covered the lens. Okay, I just opened the pot and you see the smoke all over my lens, my camera lens. So sorry for that. Then I'll add my prawn, cover and allow it to cook. Now let's work on our okra. So this is how I always want my okra to be. You can also blend it if you want. Okay, sometimes I don't like blending my okra. I always want it to be like this. When I'm eating my okra soup, I always like to chew that okra. You get what I mean? Like you be chewing it. So guys, 5 minutes later or 10 minutes or thereabout, I come back to check. I'm so sorry for the smoke again. come back to check on our meat. So at this point I'll go ahead and add some pepper, add my mackerel fish, give it a stir. Add some onion and paprika pepper. Some seasoning cube. My red oil or palm oil. Cooking okra soup is always easy, very fast to cook, okay? It's sharp food. It depends on how you want to cook it. You want it to be too rich, you make it the way you want it. You want it simple. Okra soup is just as simple as anything. Anybody can cook it. So now I've added my okra. I'll go ahead and give it a stir. Oh my god, you guys, the aroma in my kitchen is another thing else. Oh, gee. Nah, I just feel like eating this right away. The aroma in my kitchen is something else. It's on another level. So let's keep stirring our okra soup. So at this point you can also go ahead and test for salt if you need to add or adjust. Okay, now I'm adding my spinach. I use spinach a lot in my recipe. Yeah, that is because it's the best vegetable I like so much in this country. Like, I have tried other vegetables, but I feel like I so much like this compared to other vegetables. But whichever one that is okay for you, you can go ahead and use it. Okay, just use what you want to, or you feel like using for your recipe. Okay, give it a stir, and we are done cooking this delicious, mouth-watering, scrumptious and yummy okra soup. You guys, I beg you, wherever you are, bring your plates, come over and join me. Come and join me and enjoy and massacre this soup. So guys, I want to thank you all. If you have watched till this point, thank you so much for watching. And please, if you like what you see, don't forget to give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Okay, leave us your comment. Let's know what you think about this video. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, please. I beg you in the name of God. Subscribe to our channel. Always turn the notification bell on, that way you always be notified whenever I upload. Thank you guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to share as well. Sharing is caring, don't forget that. Okay, don't forget to share. Okay my people, our okra soup is ready. Please, I don't have fufu in my house. If you are coming with fufu, I beg, come with fufu. If you have garri, come with it, or come with it. You guys, you can combine this, you can incorporate it with rice, any swallow of your choice. Like okra soup, you can use it to enjoy any meal. You can even use it to eat yam. Do you know that? You can use this and eat yam, like it's so delicious. If you haven't tried, go give it a try. You will enjoy it. Myself, sometimes I don't feel like eating it with swallow. I'll just take it the way it is and be eating it and be licking the soup just like that. I'm telling you, and once I'm done, I'm full. That is how I love to enjoy it most times. Okay, thank you, and see you guys in my next video.